This is my SIG PE90. I got it used and it came without the rear sight insert. I didn't want to pay the shipping charges for a replacement, so I figured I'd just go pick it up in person. I got to Switzerland a little early and this very nice bloke took me to the range to fire some vintage Swiss service pistols. The targets were a lot farther away than the 3 yards I'm used to in the US. Hello, Swiss sheep. Then we got Flaming Coochie. It's basically a German pizza without tomato sauce that comes from what is now France. The next day, I met up with some other friends to drive up to Neuhausen. Unfortunately, bloke couldn't come because he thought it was more important to work and pay bills. We finally arrived at Stgw AG and they were so nice they gave us a tour of the facility. Dale was very impressed by all the tools and fixtures. They showed us some of the torture testing they do to the SG550 series to ensure it survives in harsh conditions. Here are barrels in varying lengths and twist rates that are sourced from Blaser in Germany. Pretty much everything else in the guns are Swiss. I wanted to take some of these parts home, but I saw what happened to Larry Vickers. And this is where the majority of the assembly takes place. This machine is used to torque the barrel onto the front trunnion. SIG has several test rangers underground and they brought out some SIG Sauer USA guns for us to try out. I suppose you could request different guns, but I just came here for a rear sight insert. We finally made it to the showroom floor and I was able to find what I was looking for. Before leaving, I did make sure to go see the Rheinfall. I immediately went home and installed my rear sight insert. It was a pretty simple install, and now my PE90 is complete.